Hey, what's going on? My name is E Theal. I'm from Pennsylvania. I started detailing back in 1993, which would leave me with a few years experience. We'll let it at that. I had the fortunate chance of running my company, Presidential Details, for about roughly a little over 10 years. And then I began to venture out into some products and eventually started a company with my partner called SB3 Coatings, and here we are today. It's been a phenomenal ride as a detailer. What's something that Lake Country offers that I enjoy? And you know, there's so many of them. There's the UDOS is one of those machines that is revolutionary. You know, anytime that you can take the best of both worlds and put it into one thing, that's pretty huge. I think currently that's one of my favorite things about Lake Country is their power to create, develop, and make things happen. But more importantly, you know, when you look at what they produce, I think my favorite thing about them is, I would have to say, it's the quality that they put out. One of the biggest misconceptions I think people have about owning a detailing shop is that they think it's going to be easy. Most detailers tend to be good at their trade or their craft, and they get really good working for somebody else. A lot of us start out at the bottom, whether it's a car wash or, you know, a detail shop or a body shop, or even a volume shop. And we really come in with no experience, a little bit of passion, a little bit of motivation, I think. And I think what separates the person from being really good at detailing to being really great, successful at detailing is their understanding, the will to learn and develop and take it further than the next guy. I think the hardest part for me was balancing the everyday struggle of getting work done for clients as well as running a shop. Running the shop for me was the difficult part, and I think that's where a lot of people tend to struggle. Most of us are good at making a car amazing, but we forget that experience later. And I'm not talking about the experience of how good we are at something. I'm talking about creating an experience for that customer. That in the end, I think, is what it's all about, the ultimate goal. And that was one of the things I struggled with, was I was really good at detailing cars, but there were guys that were better than me at creating that experience. And I think as detailing develops and we become better at business owners, creating that experience is going to be a huge priority with every business owner and detail shop owner, I think. Anyway, to all my friends and family out in the detailing world, thank you. I hope you guys have a great day. To those at Lake Country, I couldn't be more thankful and honored to be a part of your program. Have a good one.